All right, folks. This is going to be a sloppy mess today. A sloppy mess today, my friend.
I sure hope we make all back in one piece.
That's the goal.
That's the goal.
At this stage of the game, that's the goal. Yeah, where's our group meeting?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I'm the sweet man.
Gotcha.
Oh, that's it? Oh, I know. Okay.
Yeah, so we got this going for us today. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh, this should be fun. Well, it is going to be a wet, rainy day, folks. I got Mr. Expedition Pittsburgh in front of me. Good old Dan. Excellent guy. If you guys have not checked out his YouTube channel, I will leave a link in the description. He has some great expeditions, no pun intended, with his channel name. Shows a lot of stuff up in the western Pennsylvania. Done some Mid-Atlantic BDR stuff, got some great content. So if you get a chance, definitely subscribe. He's a small channel like me, and we always like you guys subscribing. So if you can, hit that like notification, all that good stuff, and would greatly appreciate it. So we are on day 2 of the Fool's Ride. So Kane from Aprilia Adventure. If you guys have not done anything with Kane, I'd highly recommend it. Fantastic guy, runs excellent rallies, does training, just an all around just great guy. So check it out. But man, we are facing some waterlog today, I think. Now I did a little bit different of a ride yesterday. It was hot, it was muggy, it was dry. You probably saw me do a little bit on the Tuareg. I also did some on the Beta, probably a couple different videos that were on here prior to this. But today, the forecast, as you can see, is calling for just slop. Rainy and sloppy. Brought extra gloves. My backpack's wrapped in got my Climb rain jacket on, which is a good thing. And the temperature has dropped probably about 15 degrees or so since yesterday. So if you get wet today, I got a feeling you're going to be a little bit more on the chilly side. Oh boy. She is slick as whale shit back here. this is fun.
It won't last long.
Oh, you gotta love that shit. I thought I could save it, but I couldn't. Oh, fuck. Got a traffic jam here. Amish. I don't want to scare the horse. What?
This makes a good clip.
Absolutely. Hey, at least they're leading the ride. You know that bend around that big puddle that you went into the grass?
Yeah.
Slid my rear end out from under there and fucking dumped it. What's that?
Get it on your camera?
Oh God, yeah. Hey, so I got that going for me. Here we go. I knew I didn't have a chance as soon as I hit that. I'm sitting there going, he got the Norden 9 up there. I should be able to get this fucker up here.
Slide down to the bottom.
Plus, I didn't give it a good rev. I don't know if she's going to make it. She ain't going to make it from here. I'm going to go back through the river and wash out. I'll see you guys. It's all right.
I don't really want to do the rest of it anyway. That's why I come back down.
Oh, it's all slop through there anyway, right? Oh. Oh shit. That's funny, dude. I'm good enough to know when I need to quit. Good shot of the crew. Unfortunately, I was the only one that did not make it up, and I didn't even give it a second shot. Oh well, sometimes you just lick your wounds and move on. Is that some funny shit or what? Flat tire.